on. We have a new hair tool to try out, and it's the Shark Flex Style. Ito yung lagi na sa For You page ko, and finally, I got my hands on it. Here is what she looks like. Very pretty. Ang ganda ng color niya. Actually, ang laki pala niya. Including this and then attachment. Medyo vertically gifted yung hair tool natin. I have all the attachments laid out and plug this in. Idadampen muna natin yung hair ko kasi syempre, paano natin siya i-dry if it's not wet? So, I'll be back. We'll start out with a rough dry. Dapat kasi binabasa ang instructions. Ah! Okay. It bends. On. I have a stopwatch dito para malaman natin how long it's gonna take for me to rough dry my hair at the highest setting. Go. Off. 2 minutes, 14 seconds para rough dry or damp na yung hair natin para we could do the curls. Let's try out the auto wrap attachment. I have yung left on, so we'll do the left side. Paano? Pero parang needs more improvement. Hindi pa siya fully dry. So, kailangan ko, I think, longer siya next time. Ooh! Better. Okay, may slight learning curve lang tayo. Ganda. I redid my bangs with the auto wrap, and now she looks like this. Very voluminous Victoria's Secret fashion show type of blowout siya. I'll update you whether it lasts or not, but now I'm very happy.